Welcome back to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we're talking about time management for service advisors. As a service advisor in the fast-paced automotive industry, effective time management is crucial for delivering exceptional service experiences while maintaining efficiency. Balancing the need for speed with the importance of quality can be challenging. In today's video, we will explore valuable time management tips for service advisors to help you optimize your workflow, enhance productivity, and ensure customer satisfaction. Prioritize tasks. Start each day by identifying and prioritizing your tasks. Determine which tasks are urgent and require immediate attention, and allocate time accordingly. By establishing clear priorities, you can focus on the most critical activities and avoid getting overwhelmed by non-essential tasks. Efficient appointment scheduling. Effective appointment scheduling is key to managing your time effectively. Allocate appropriate time slots for each customer based on the nature and complexity of their service needs. Avoid overbooking or leaving excessive gaps between appointments to maximize efficiency. A well-planned schedule ensures a smooth workflow and minimizes customer waiting times. Streamline administrative tasks. Administrative tasks are necessary but can consume significant time if not managed efficiently. Implement digital tools and software solutions to streamline the administrative processes such as generating estimates, creating invoices, and maintaining customer records. Automating repetitive tasks frees up time for more critical activities, allowing you to focus on serving customers and delivering quality service. Effective communication channels. Establish clear and efficient communication channels with your team members and technicians. Ensure that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities and encourage open lines of communication. Clear communication minimizes misunderstandings and delays, streamlining the overall workflow and maximizing productivity. Delegate and collaborate. Recognize when certain tasks can be delegated to other team members. Delegating non-customer facing activities or tasks that don't require your expertise allows you to prioritize high-value tasks and optimize your time. Collaboration and effective teamwork help distribute workloads, improve efficiency, and deliver quality service within the desired timeframes. Continuous learning and professional development. Invest time in continuous learning and professional development to stay updated on industry trends, new technologies, and repair techniques. By expanding your knowledge, you can improve your problem-solving skills, make informed decisions faster, and enhance your overall efficiency. Attend training programs, workshops, and industry events to stay ahead of the curve. Regular evaluation and improvement. Regularly assess your workflow and identify areas for improvement. Analyze bottlenecks or time-consuming activities that can be optimized. Seek feedback from your team and customers to understand pain points or areas that require attention. Implement changes and refine your processes to enhance efficiency and quality. Balancing efficiency and quality is crucial for service advisors looking to optimize their time management skills. By implementing the strategies in this video, you can enhance productivity and deliver exceptional service experiences. Remember, effective time management not only benefits you as a service advisor, but also contributes to customer satisfaction and long-term business success. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.